Learn and grow on the Spotty Dotty Show.
Are you tired of tripping over your shoelaces? Well, I am, and that's why I learned how to tie my shoes. And I want to show you how. Go ahead, get your shoes, and let's learn together. We have to learn two things, how to tie a knot and how to tie a bow. Let me show you. Cross, pinch, loop, pull. Let's try it again. To make a knot, we need to cross, pinch, loop, pull. Do it one more time and repeat after me. Cross, pinch, loop, pull. Here. To make the bow, stick one finger out and the other lace is going to loop around the finger. Pinch right where the knot is, and now you just created a bunny ear, a little loop. The opposite lace is going to go around the bunny ear, and right where your finger is, you're going to move it a little bit out of the way, and you're going to find a hole. Bring that lace right through it, pick up both bunny ears and pull. There you go. You have a nice, neat bow. We're going to loop, pinch, loop, tuck, pull. Do it again. Loop, pinch, loop, tuck, pull. One more time, and I want you to say it with me. Loop, pinch, loop, tuck, pull. Here we go. To make this extra strong so it doesn't come loose, you can try another knot, which was step one. You're going to bring both bunny ears and cross them, and where they meet, hold it right there. Bring one bunny ear through the hole and pull it again. There you go. You should be good all day. And that's how you tie a shoelace. Want to learn more how-tos? Like and subscribe to the Spotty Dotty Show. See you next time.
Please like and subscribe and stay creative.